Okay, so my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Now we will see the numericals on variable acceleration. First of all, I will write the problem, then we will solve it. The numerical is the motion of a particle, motion of a particle moving in a straight line, moving in a straight line is given by expression S is equal to t cube minus 3t square plus 2t plus 5, where S is the displacement in meters. S is the displacement. S is the displacement in meter. T is the time in seconds. T is the time in seconds. Determine velocity and acceleration. Determine velocity and acceleration after 4 seconds. After 4 seconds. And maximum or minimum velocity corresponding to the displacement. Velocity and just a minute. Sentence खाली वर झालेला. Velocity and corresponding displacement time at which velocity is 0. Now read the problem. So the motion of a particle is moving in a straight line is given by the expression S is equal to t cube minus 3t square plus 2t plus 5, where S is the displacement, t is the time. Determine velocity and acceleration after 4 seconds. Okay, so this, first of all, this we need to calculate. Determine velocity and acceleration after 4 seconds. Then maximum and minimum velocity, maximum or minimum velocity, a corresponding displacement time at which velocity is 0. These things we need to calculate. Now see how to solve these types of problems. First of all, I will write the equation here. This is the equation of the displacement. S is equal to t cube minus 3t square plus 2t plus 5. Okay. Now I know the displacement. So from the equation of displacement, we will find out the equation of velocity And from that, we will find out the equation of the acceleration also. So how to find out? Now what I will do, I will take a derivative of this equation. So I will differentiate. Okay. So I will write here, differentiate both sides with respect to time. With respect to time. So I will take the derivative. So differentiation with respect to time is d by dt. Here s is there on left hand side. And here on the right hand side, d by dt, that is differentiation derivative of this t cube minus 3t square plus 2t plus 5. Now we will take the derivative. So here ds upon dt, this will become ds upon dt, which is equal to, now what, t cube. What is the derivative of t cube? 3t square minus, here it is 6t plus 2. Okay, but ds upon dt means what? Displacement with respect to time is nothing but velocity. So ds upon dt is nothing but v. So therefore we have got the equation v is equal to 3t square minus 6t plus 2. So this is our equation number 1. It is already given. This is our equation number 2. This is for the velocity. This is for the velocity. Now similarly, we will differentiate this velocity equation again with respect to time. So we will get dv by dt, and dv by dt is nothing but acceleration. Okay, the definition सांगता ना तुम्ही, the rate of change of velocity with respect to time is acceleration. So dv by dt is nothing but acceleration. Velocity म्हणजे काय सांगता? What is the definition of velocity? The rate of change of displacement with respect to, मग तेच केलंय आपण. ही काय, ही डिस्प्लेसमेंट आहे आणि त्याचा काय घेतलेलं आपण, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतलेला आहे with respect to time. So it is nothing but velocity. And now same thing we are going to do with velocity also. So here I will write again, differentiate equation 2 with respect to time. So d by dt of velocity v is equal to, our equation is 3t square minus 6t plus 2. So sorry, that's a differentiation case, hai na? Differentiate. So here also d by dt of equation is 3t square minus 6t plus 2. Now take the derivative. Here this will become dv by dt, which is equal to, here it is 6t minus 6. So dv by dt is nothing but a, acceleration. So equation of acceleration is 6t minus 6. This is our equation number 3. Now we are having 3 equations. First is for displacement. Here you can see, first is for displacement, second is for velocity, and the third equation is for acceleration. Now go to the problem. What they have told us, determine the velocity and acceleration after 4 seconds. So here this is the equation of velocity. In this velocity, if I put t is equal to 4, then I will get velocity at 4 seconds, after 4 seconds. Okay. So here I will write, put t is equal to 4 seconds in equation 2. Okay. So therefore, velocity v is equal to, what is that equation? 3t square. So it is 3 into t is nothing but 4 square minus 6t plus 2. So minus 6 into t is 4 plus 2. If you solve this, you will get the value of velocity. 26. Okay, please check the answer. 26 meter per second. So this is the value of velocity. This is the value of velocity. Now again, put t is equal to 4 seconds in equation 3. Now we want to find out acceleration. So therefore, a is equal to, it is 6 into 4 minus 6. How much it is? 6 into 4, 24. 24 minus 6, 18 meter per second square. So this is acceleration. Okay. See now, this is the equation of velocity. This is the equation of velocity. So here they have asked us maximum minimum velocity. So how do we calculate maxima and minima? You have learned in mathematics. Maxima, minima, झालेत नाही शब्द? How we calculate maxima and minima? Okay. Whenever you want to calculate maxima and minima, you take the derivative and equate that derivative to 0. Okay. आता हे डिटेल मध्ये शिकायचं असलं तर मॅथ्सचं बघा काय शिकवलं सरांनी. Now the application part is here. So whenever we want to find out any maxima or minima, we take the derivative of that function and we put that derivative equal to 0. So we will get the either maximum or minimum value. So here they have asked us maximum or minimum velocity. So here what I will do.
Sir,
V
is equal to 22 येते ना?
22 येते का? This V is equal to 22. Please check the answer once again. बघा बरं एकदा करून. बरोबर आहे का 26?
बरोबर आहे सर.
Okay. So here now I will write again. V is equal to, what is our equation? 3t square minus 6t plus 2. V is equal to 3t square minus 6t plus 2. Okay. So if I take the derivative of this, so dv by dt, we must equate it to 0. For what? Here I can write for maxima or minima. In this way, we always find out maxima and minima. Okay. So dv by dt is equal to 0. But dv by dt is nothing but it is acceleration. Okay. This is v. And when you calculate this dv by dt is nothing but acceleration. And what is the value of dv by dt? 6t minus 6. 6t minus 6. This is the value of dv by dt. So here I will write 6t minus 6 is equal to what? 0. So therefore, t is equal to how much? 1 second. Okay. Now put this value of t is equal to 1 in this velocity equation again. So put t is equal to 1 second in equation 2. Okay. Therefore, v is equal to, it is 3 into 1 square minus 6 into 1 plus 2. Therefore, v is equal to minus 1. So this is the minimum value. Okay. Meter per second. So this is minima. Okay. So now this value we have got. So for the corresponding displacement, so for this time, okay, for this time, what they have asked us, see, maximum minimum velocity and corresponding displacement time at which velocity is 0. So the time at which the velocity is 0, at that time we want to find out the corresponding displacement. Okay, so what is that time? How we have calculated that time? काय केलं? आन्सर काय आला? आन्सर केलं का पुढे? Okay. So 2 roots you have got, no? Okay. So here what they have asked us, corresponding displacement time at which velocity is 0. So what is the time? We need to find out the time where the velocity is 0, and whatever value of time we get, we have to put that value in equation 1. So we will get the corresponding displacement. Okay. So first of all, write the equation of the velocity. What is the equation of the velocity? The equation of the velocity is 3t square. 3t square, what is the equation? Minus 6t plus 2. This is the equation for velocity. So they have asked us the time when velocity is 0. So I will write here time when velocity is 0. Okay. So what is the time? So equate this to 0. So 3t square minus 6t plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore t is equal to कॅल्सीवरती सॉल्व करा. Let me know the value in points. If it is in point, let me know the value. What is the value? इथं आन्सर आहे t is equal to 1.5 second and 0.42 seconds. असे दोन टाइम दिलेले. So solve this on the calculator.
T is equal to 1.57 and T is equal to 0.42.
And t is equal to 0.42 seconds. Okay. So this is the answer. Now the corresponding displacements are when t is equal to 1.57 seconds. Okay, your equation is, what is the equation? S is equal to, what is the equation? S is equal to t cube minus 3t square plus 2t plus 5. Now put the value. Therefore S is equal to t cube, it is 1.57 cube minus 3 into 1.57 square plus 2 into 1.57 plus 5. Therefore what is the value of S? Displacement. Calculate the value. 4 point क्या बनता है 4.61. Others please do check the answer.
4.61.
4.61. Okay, so the answer for this is S is equal to 4.61 meters. This is for when time is 1.57 seconds. Now when t is equal to 0.42 seconds, when t is equal to 0.42 seconds, then again S is equal to, it is t cube. So 0.42 cube minus 3 into 0.42 square plus 2 into 0.42 plus 5. Therefore S is equal to $5.38. So please check the answer. Answer is 5.38. Let me know whether it is right or something correction is there.
5.56.
Okay. चालते 5.56, 5.38, it is okay. 5.3, okay. ज्याला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आणि इंटिग्रेशन व्यवस्थित येत आहे त्यासाठी या टाइपचे प्रॉब्लेम दे आर व्हेरी इझी प्रॉब्लेम. ओके, so derivative and integration, it is required throughout the engineering, so please learn it. त्याच्यामध्ये काय जर तुम्हाला डिफिकल्टी असेल तर आत्ताच मॅथ्सच्या टीचर्सला विचारून क्लिअर करून घ्या, because now you are only learning in first year derivative integration. Its application part is very vast and it is required in the next year when you go to second year, third year, final year. It is required. So do it. Now see this problem. Here in applied mechanics also derivative it is required. Integration is required. Okay. So next. So have you understood this problem? What we have done in this? Is it okay? Shall we move for the next problem or any question you want to ask on this? No questions बनाओ है कि नहीं? हाँ? Okay. Is it okay? Shall we move to the next numerical? समझ ले? बस चला. So the next one is write down the problem. A velocity of a particle. A velocity of a particle moving in a straight line. Moving in a straight line. Moving in a straight line is given by expression v is equal to t cube minus t square minus 2t plus 2. Okay, this is the equation. The particle is found to be at a distance of 4 meters from station A after 2 seconds. Determine number 1, acceleration and displacement after 4 seconds. Second, maximum and minimum acceleration. Now read the problem and try to solve it. So here the equation is v is equal to t cube minus t square minus 2t plus 2. So V is nothing but. So if I want to calculate the acceleration from velocity, what I will do? Differentiate both sides with respect to time. So if I differentiate both sides, here it will become dv by dt. Direct घ्यायचा का derivative? कळतं ना सगळ्यांना? Directly if we take the derivative. Okay. So t cube, the derivative of t cube is 3t square. Minus t square, what is the derivative? Minus 2t. Minus 2. So dv by dt is nothing but acceleration. So therefore, a is equal to 3t square minus 2t minus 2. This is our equation number second. This is our equation number 1. Okay. So now, what is next? Now see this equation 1. T cube minus, now we have got the equation of velocity, we have got the equation of acceleration. Now we want to calculate what is the equation for the displacement. Then what should we do now? आता मला velocityचं इक्वेशन मिळालेलं आहे. Accelerationचं पण इक्वेशन मिळालं, मी त्याला डिफरन्शिएट केलं. When I take the derivative of this velocity equation, I have got the equation of acceleration. Now I want to equation for the displacement. What should I do now? डिस्प्लेसमेंटचं काढायचं. मगाशी सोपं होतं. डिस्प्लेसमेंट दिलं होतं, एकदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतला वेलोसिटी आली, दुसऱ्यांदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतला एक्सेलरेशन आलं. ओके, नाउ आय वांट डिस्प्लेसमेंट. व्हॉट शुड आय डू? काय करायचं? इंटिग्रेशन घ्यायचं. कशाचं? v चं. करेक्ट. So see, derivative and integration are two opposite processes. Here I will show you. See now, suppose I know the displacement. S मला माहिती आहे. I know the displacement. If I take the derivative, I will get velocity, and from velocity again, if I take the derivative, I will get acceleration. Okay, and same thing is there. If I know the acceleration, then if I take the integration, okay, if I take the integration, I will get velocity. If I know the velocity, if I again take the integration of this velocity, I will get displacement. ओके, म्हणजे जर s माहिती आहे, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतला तर v मिळेल. हा, v माहिती आहे, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतला तर एक्सेलरेशन मिळेल, आणि v माहिती आहे, इंटिग्रेशन घेतलं तर काय येईल? डिस्प्लेसमेंट येईल. ओके, सो इन दिस वे यू विल गेट द व्हॅल्यूज. समजते का? डिस्प्लेसमेंट मला माहिती आहे, मला वेलोसिटी कॅल्क्युलेट करायची आहे, मी घेणार डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. वेलोसिटी माहिती आहे, एक्सेलरेशन काढायचं आहे, ह्याचा परत डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेणार. पण आता मला हे दोन्ही माहित नाहीत, फक्त एक्सेलरेशन माहिती आहे. तर एक्सेलरेशनचं जर मी इंटिग्रेशन घेतलं तर मला वेलोसिटी मिळेल, वेलोसिटीचं इंटिग्रेशन घेतलं तर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. असं येताना डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, वरून खाली येताना डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, खालून वर जाताना इंटिग्रेशन. लक्षात ठेवा, ही ऑर्डर लक्षात ठेवा. पहिले असतं डिस्प्लेसमेंट, मग असतं वेलोसिटी, मग असतं एक्सेलरेशन. वरून खाली येत असला तुम्ही या डायरेक्शनला, तर तुम्हाला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेत येत जाणार. आणि जर एक्सेलरेशन पासून वर चाललाय तुम्ही वेलोसिटी आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंट कडे, तर तुम्हाला इंटिग्रेशन घेत जावं लागेल. ओके, सो नाउ इन दिस प्रॉब्लेम हियर, now here in this problem, this is the equation of velocity. So instead of velocity, I will write here ds upon dt. Just 1 minute. Okay, now so ds by dt, this is nothing but it is t cube minus t square minus 2t plus 2. Now what I will do, I will keep this ds on this side, and here it is t cube minus t square minus 2t plus 2 into dt. Okay, so integrating both sides. Integrating both sides. So if I take the integration of the both sides, then integration of ds is equal to integration of whole this term t cube minus t square minus 2t plus 2 with respect to dt. Okay, so here is the integration with respect to dt, here is the integration with respect to ds. So integration of ds, what is the integration of ds? Integration of ds is s. Integration of dx x लिखा ना तुम्ही. So similarly integration of ds is s. Then नाहीतर इथंच करू आपण इंटिग्रेशन पुढच्या पेज वरती भरवू दे. So integration of ds is, I will write here s. Now integration of t cube, t raised to 4th upon 4. Okay, minus integration of t square t cube by 3 minus integration of 2t t square by 2 येणार ना इथं, so 2 will get cancelled. And plus, what is the integration of 2? It is 2t. And plus constant of integration c. Okay, so this is the constant of integration. C is the constant of integration. Now we have to find out what is the value of this c. C is the constant of integration. So to find out that value here, one thing is given to us. What is given to us? You can see here, the particle is found to be at a distance of 4 meter. Okay, so S value is 4 meter after 2 seconds when t is equal to 2. So when t is equal to 2, what is the displacement? 4. Here it is written, the particle is found to be at a distance of 4 meter from A after 2 seconds. So when time is equal to 2 seconds, the value of S is 4 meter. So we will put that over here. So we will get this value of C. Okay. So here I will write when t is equal to 2 seconds, S is equal to 4 meter. This is given in the problem. Here I will write. हे आपण मनाने कुठनं आणलेलं नाहीये. हे दिलेलं आहे प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये आपल्याला. This is given in the numerical. So what we will do now? We will put these values in this equation now. So here our S is 4, which is equal to t cube by 4. So it is 2 raised to 4. Sorry, 4 by 4. T raised to 4 by 4 minus 2 cube by 3, then minus 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus c. Therefore, c is equal to 2.67. The value of c is 2.67. Please check the answer.
2.67.
Correct hai ka?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You what you do? You write this equation and write here the value of c as 2.67, and after that calculate acceleration and displacement when t is equal to 4 seconds. Do this calculation. I will be back. Just a moment. So now if I write this equation again, so then S is equal to, what is my equation? My equation is T4 raised to 4 minus T cube by 3 minus T square plus 2T plus 2.67. This is the equation for displacement, equation number 3. Okay. And these first two are the equation for velocity and acceleration. Now this is the third equation for displacement. Now what they have told us, acceleration and displacement after 4 seconds. So put t is equal to 4 and calculate the value of acceleration and displacement with their respective equations. So first of all, here we are having displacement equation. So we will calculate the displacement when time is 4 seconds. Okay. So here I will write when t is equal to 4 seconds. Then here, therefore, the displacement at the end of 4th second is 4 raised to 4 divided by 4 minus 4 cube by 3 minus 4 square plus 2 into 4 plus 2.67. So therefore, S is equal to, what is the displacement now? 37.34. Please check the answer. Confirm these answers, whether it is right. Okay, 37.3, correct. So now calculate acceleration. When t is equal to 4 seconds, what is the equation for acceleration? Acceleration A is equal to 3t square minus 2t minus 2. So which is equal to, if I put the value here, it is 3 into 4 square minus 2 into 4 minus 2, which is equal to 38. Okay, 38 meter per second square. Please check the answers. Therefore, A is equal to 38 meter per second square. This is the acceleration. So what is remaining now? Max and minimum acceleration. So again, we need to find out maximum and minimum value. So we will always take the derivative and equate it to 0 to calculate the maximum or minimum value. So here, maximum or minimum acceleration. Therefore, dA by dt, derivative of acceleration with respect to t, we equate it to 0 to calculate maxima and minima. Take the derivative of the function and equate it to 0. लक्षात राहत नसेल तर वहीच्यावर लिहून ठेवा. When you calculate the maxima or minima, take the derivative of the function and equate it to 0. So here it is d by dt of equation of acceleration is 3t square minus 2t minus 2, which is equal to 0. So therefore 3t square derivative is 60 minus 2 is equal to 0. So solve it and let me know the value of t. 0.33 seconds. Okay. This is the value of t, 0.33 seconds. So now after this 0.33 seconds, calculate A. Therefore, A is equal to, what is its formula? A is 3t square minus 2t minus 2. Therefore, A is equal to here 3 into 0.33 square minus 2 into 0.33, minus 2. Therefore, A is equal to, what is the answer? Minus 2.33 meter per second square. So this is the retardation. So please check all the answers and let me know whether it is correct or any or some answers are not correct. Is it over?
Yes.
Shall we move to the next numerical? घ्यायचं का पुढचं? बस नाही, अजून एक एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करा. मी तर 6 वाजेपर्यंत घ्यावं म्हणलं होतं खरं. ठीक आहे. We will take one more example and then we will close. Okay? But from tomorrow, be prepared. Write down the next example. A body moves along a straight line and its acceleration at which फक्त a which नाही, acceleration which varies with time given by a is equal to 2 minus 3t. Full stop. Full stop. 5 seconds after start of the observations, its velocity is found to be 20 meter per second. Full stop. 10 seconds after the start, 10 seconds after the start of the observations, the body is at 85 meter from the origin. Full stop. Determine first, number 1, its acceleration, velocity, and distance at origin. Second, the time in which velocity becomes zero. Velocity becomes zero and corresponding distance from origin, and the corresponding distance from origin. Okay, so this is the given problem. So here a body moves in a straight line and its acceleration varies with time with the equation A is equal to 2 minus 3t. 5 seconds after the start of the observation, its velocity found to be 20 meter per second. So when t is equal to 5 seconds, v is equal to 20 meter per second. This is the first condition. 10 seconds after the start of the observations, the body is at 85 meter from origin. So when t is equal to 10 seconds, s is equal to 85 meters. This is the second condition. Determine its acceleration, velocity, and distance at origin. Okay. The time in which velocity becomes zero and the corresponding distance. So now we will solve this. So the equation is A is equal to 2 minus 3t. A means what? A means dv by dt. dv by dt is equal to 2 minus 3t. Therefore, dv is equal to 2 minus 3t into dt. So integrating both the sides. हे आपण का करायला लागलो? एक्सेलरेशन वरून आपल्याला वेलोसिटी कॅल्क्युलेट करायची आहे. वेलोसिटीचे इक्वेशन पाहिजे आणि वेलोसिटी वरून आपल्याला डिस्प्लेसमेंटचे इक्वेशन कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आहे. म्हणून हे सगळं चालू आहे. ओके, वी वांट द इक्वेशन ऑफ velocity and acceleration. That is why we are doing this. We know the equation of the acceleration, A equal to 2 minus 3t. So from the equation of acceleration, we are going to calculate the equation of velocity as well as the equation of displacement. So here integrating both sides. So if I integrate both sides, then it will be integration of dv. Integration of dv is v. Okay, then integration of 2 minus 3t dt. So integration of 2, it is 2t, and integration of 3 is 3t square by 2 plus c1, where c1 is the constant of integration. Okay, plus c1, where c1 is the constant of integration. Okay, so calculate the value of c1 first. So how to calculate the value of c1? Use this condition which is given in the problem. 5 seconds after start of the observation, its velocity is found to be 20 meter per second. So when t is equal to 5 seconds, velocity v is equal to 20. So here put this value. So here I will write when t is equal to 5 seconds, v is equal to 20 meter per second. Okay. So here if I put the value, then it is 20 is equal to, it is 2 into t is 5 minus 3 into 5 square by 2 plus c1. Therefore, c1 is equal to, this 47.5. So value of c1 is 47.5. So therefore, check the value. Equation v is equal to, the equation of velocity is 2t minus 3t square by 2 plus 47.5. This is our equation number 1, and now this is the equation number 2. The equation number 2. So I will write here V is equal to 2t 3t square by 2. 2t minus 3t square by 2 plus 47.5. V means what? Velocity is nothing but displacement upon time. So ds by dt is equal to 2t minus 3t square by 2 plus 47.5. So now integrating both the sides. Okay. So therefore ds is equal to, it is 2t minus 3t square by 2 plus 47.5. Here it is dt. So integrate both the sides. Integrating both sides. So integration of ds is yes. Integration of 2t is, it is 2t square by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. Only t square will remain. Here 3 by 2 as it is, and t square is t cube by 3. So how much it is? T cube by 2. Barabar na? It is t cube by 2. Then 47.5 t plus again constant of integration C2. How to calculate the value of C2 now? Again go here. Here again second condition is given. What is the second condition? At t is equal to 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, the body is at 85 meter from the origin. So value of S is given when t is equal to 10 seconds. So here we will put that when t is equal to 10 seconds, S is equal to 85 meters. Put that value in the equation. Here 85 is equal to value of t is 10 square minus 10 cube by 2 plus 47.5 into 10 plus C2. Therefore, C2 is equal to 10. So the equation will be S is equal to t square minus t cube by 2 plus 47.5 t plus 10. This is equation number 3. This is the equation of the displacement. Now we have got all the 3 equations. Now we know what is the equation of displacement. Now we know what is the equation of this velocity, and what is the equation of acceleration. Equation is already given in the problem. आता हे सगळे इक्वेशन मिळाल्यावरती आता बघा की काय फाइंड आउट करायचंय. नाउ लुक इनटू द प्रॉब्लेम व्हाट दे हैव आस्क्ड अस. इट्स acceleration, velocity and distance at origin means what? At t equal to 0. Origin म्हणजे काय? Time is 0. Okay. At origin the time is 0. So here first thing is at origin t is equal to 0 seconds. Okay. So therefore first of all we will calculate acceleration. Acceleration a is equal to 2 minus 3t, okay, which is equal to 2 minus 3 into 0, which is equal to 2. So the value of acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Now v, velocity, v is equal to, what is the equation for the velocity? V is equal to, it is 2t minus 3t square by 2 then plus 47.5, which is equal to, now just put the values. It is 2 into t is 0 minus 3 into 0 square by 2 plus 47.5. So answer will be 47.5 meter per second. And lastly, S is equal to displacement is equal to, it is t square minus t cube by 3 plus 47.5 t plus 10, which is equal to 0 square minus 0 cube by 3 plus 47.5 into 0 plus 10, which is equal to 10 meters. So these are the values at origin. Okay, these are the values. This is the acceleration. Velocity 47.5 and your displacement 10 meter. So these are the values at origin. Now further what they have asked us, the time in which velocity becomes 0. Okay, the time at which velocity becomes 0 and the corresponding distance from the origin. So the time at which velocity becomes 0. So what is the equation of velocity that we will write here first? Velocity is equal to 2t minus 3t square by 2 plus 47.5. So time at which, what is the time at which velocity is 0? Therefore, put v is equal to 0. Your equation will be by 2 plus 47.5. Solve this quadratic equation, you will get the value of t. Here it is 6.33. Its answer is 6.33. Once again check the value. Anybody else? Equation बरोबर लिहिलं का हेच? कॅल्क्युलेटर वरती डायरेक्ट सॉल्व होते इक्वेशन, येते सॉल्व करता सगळ्यांना? येत नाही? येत नाही का? सगळ्यांना येते काय कॅल्क्युलेटर वर सॉल्व करायला? नाही सर. तुम्हाला मी किती वेळा सांगितलं YouTube वरती व्हिडिओ असते, त्याच्यासोबत हँडबुक मिळते, बघितलं कधी? ओके, आय विल टेल यू. हा ना कोणाच तर कॅल्क्युलेटर तुम्हाला येते का रे? ऑनलाईन कोण कोण येते का कॅल्क्युलेटर वरती सॉल्व करायला इक्वेशन? नाही सर. नाही येत का?
Yes, sir.
येते ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, now here, this is the quadratic equation. Here you can see the power of t is 2. So here I will write this equation like this: 3t square 3t square by 2 minus plus 2t plus 47.5 is equal to 0. So the format of this equation must be ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, on the calculator. On calculator, this is the format of this equation: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here t square is nothing but x square. Here t square is nothing but x square. T is nothing but x. So compare these two equations. If I compare these two equations, I will get a is equal to minus 3 by 2, b is equal to plus 2, and c is equal to 47.5. एवढं तर कळतंय का नाही? Okay, the quadratic equation. And now switch on your computer, go up, switch on your calculator, press the mode. Press the mode 3 times. Okay, press the mode button 3 times. You will see this type of window. Okay, you will see here equation EQN लिहिलेला आलाय का तिथं? Okay, yes, so 1 is there below EQN. So press 1. What it is showing now? Unknowns, unknowns 2 or 3. Okay, so इकडं स्लाइड करायचं जे बटन आहे ना, या साइडचं हे बटन दाबा, हे प्रेस करा. This button, press this button, this side. Okay, this side button, press this. आलं का डिग्री म्हणून लिहिलेलं? Okay, so degree means what is the degree of your equation, whether it is quadratic equation or cubic equation?
Quadratic.
Equation, degree is 2. Here our degree is 2. You can see t square is there. T cube is not there. So if t cube is there, then your degree is 3. If t square is there, then your degree is 2. So what is our degree? 2. So press 2. 2 press केल्यावरती काय विचारलं? A is equal to A and question mark. So put the value of A minus 3/2. So minus 1.5. Okay, put the value of A minus 1.5. Press equal to. काय विचारलं? B is equal to विचारलं असेल पुढं. Okay, so B is plus 2. Right, 2 is equal to, what is the value of C? 47.5. Now press equal to, you will get two values. आले का? पहिलं काय आलं इक्वल टू दाबल्यावर?
-5.
-5. आता हे खालचं बटन आहे ना, खालचं बटन दाबा इथलं. प्रेस दिस बटन. बॅक खालचं इथलं प्रेस दिस बटन, you will see the second root. What is the second root?
6.33.
आलं का 6.63? हे बटन प्रेस करायचं दुसरं रूट बघायला. So this is the first batch to whom I am teaching how to use calculator. So मिळाली का व्हॅल्यू? So x ची फर्स्ट व्हॅल्यू काय आहे? -5 and second value is 6.33. We will reject the -5 as time is never negative. T means what? T means time. Time कधी निगेटिव्ह असतो का?
नाही.
So we will reject the first solution. -5 we will reject. So take the value of T as 6.33 seconds. Okay, so T is equal to 6.33 seconds. So this is the time. मग एवढ्यावरती थांबायचंय का नाही? पुढे काय विचारलंय त्यांनी? बघा वाचा प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये पुढे काय म्हटलेलं आहे? Calculate the corresponding displacement. So calculate the displacement at this time. So now I will write the equation of the displacement. S is equal to T square minus T cube by 3 plus 47.5 T plus 10. So put T is equal to 6.33 seconds. Therefore, S is equal to, here it is 6.33 square minus 6.33 cube by 3 plus 47.5 into 6.33 plus 10. Therefore, S is equal to, let me know the answer. आता सांगा. Okay, 223.92, correct. So the answer is 223.92 meters. This is the answer. Please check the answer once again. Okay, so today we will stop here. Okay, so okay, give the attendance. Roll number 1, 2,
Present,
3,
sir.
4, 5,
Present, sir.
6, 7,
Present, sir.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, roll number 13, 14, 15, 15, 11 is present, 16,
Present.
17,
Present, sir.
18, 19,
Present.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23, 23, 24,
Present, sir.
25,
Present, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
27,
Present, sir.
28,
Present.
29, 30, 31,
Present, sir.
32, 33,
Present, sir.
34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41,
Present.
42, 43,
Present, sir.
44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50,
Present, sir.
51, 52, 53, 54,
Present, sir.
55, 56, 57, 58, 59.
Present, sir.
तुम्ही सकाळच्या लेक्चरला नव्हतो का 59 रोल नंबर इन द
Problem
आफ्टरनून
होता,
2
sir.
to 3.
प्रॉब्लेम होता त्यामुळे नव्हतं.
60, 61. Okay. So now you can leave the class.